ene bibi besi me shan
bibi besi avi
me ka say we don preach you wo so Mike my brother bi wa ha ye fra obofo
ara na refi
wo semesi FM
yes
ka wuri so no ba ya so and so
abu
na wo da na bibia be gina so wontimi na
yes
sunsun nyame bia meni no me hunu ma bibia ye fra no amadan kwa ana me hunu papa kokora bia ye fra no Yakubu na Yakubu no sunsun fa na brade ka tram so ye beibon sam ana amadan kwa no akoto wo obofo na ma no enu ntiro obofo ni duro na duro ahona ya basa wuti yo ya no enya kasa na ma wuti yo ya radio no so na wadwen ya so kasa dudu ntino wuti yo ya no enya kasa ye ti wuti ni kobobo anadwo enti wuti na ye to kobobo anadwo no duro no pa na ma wuti ye duro bra bia o se madam konso tire no ye de betuaso ye mfa ntuaso ye ntiesi nchen enti na ya na wo se wo kon eya wo ya no ni abande so ye me pa to ho na wo fie ha wo ya media ni a ye friend wo bofo so
mia
abande so ye ani e da me twa ye be twa wo hwe ya wo ka ki no this all the so ma wo be say wo san ko ban ko yi kakra ma ka enti wo ba no say na sofo nkuma ni bi no ni abo pinu
yes
na fe wo ka guna so asama na nyina ya no kure ene duru mire bi so ade wo kan se nya no kure no wono no won kan abonte won kan te so funa se nya no kure I know na o kasa wo mic ni mo ti ye won ka ye nyina na ja wo se ya no kure ni hwa akura ka ho duru mire bi ni hwa mo badwa ya na ba ko ya ne ya pa ntinsam a wo ka nyina no kure ana wo sa se amadan kwa no so ye o maame ono ase o maame enso wan kan hu
ebi kwa na minim no
chairman for no ya afafo nkuma no wo me creative program no
on kan tro ne da
ana bema na osofo ne boli din no eno so no ase ya ne wofa na ne wofa no efrisi ya wo no won pen na semo da no ono wonim se ne wofa no ye beibon san nti wada woroma eja bo ana ma
ya o e wo se ko be wo huru me mpaboa mo oh yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, the mentality of this Osofo, the stupidity he displays. Se oni adwuma papa bi ya. Me mpaboa gu hon wo mra no me pepam. He's indoctrinating people. It will not help him. A bastard like that. Akofa nyame akata so.
Our parliament. The whole world, not the whole Ghana, the whole world. Yeka kabi mamin kabia. Amemua Ghana ye number 1 say eturu mere bia enipa bi timi wisu ya adwene
yes
etimi di ya ade bia wo anya fans abeka se nyame na kasa fa nu ana nyame na aka che bet wo no ana adwene
yes
ya sha asori ase eduada ebenada bukuada yawada efiada memeneda pasiada
7 days a week
ye ni da ye de home Brother, you didn't know who did you always say about so because I can't tell say I finish query and to one way I beg you for no, I beg you for no, I beg you for no.
Kwamba obi for GTV and so yeah that for Friday the ama ye kakramada wo dwuma mo jeje furisane de na se na wase de ase da merade se ye wo nkwa na nse memre ni wo ya de nyina prophet the same doctor account prophet Dr. Peter Amankwa aka Heaven Bed so mo kwa baba obi for GTV
Medio super
na po me adom 31st year nkofo ye dwuma of what you pa now the tactical one say hammer on this issue one issue pastors and politicians they in their say problem this year we say suffer be sorry we to ma be ka say yesere mo sorry man hwe na obi a ma sorry obi ama politicians be to ma be abeka asem bi ama the whole atonso e be. Now, election you do ye, Yohana prophecies will be by. Yani aye papa prophet Badiko. But she come say Honorable Kennedy Ejampo akompre ko Ejampo. The life is in danger. MB before be dinama. And yeah, they are some now kafa. Because the come who and the humanity and came who and Kawa getting a such an influence person or woman second in Japan. Or castle mining to Nasa prophecy be bad. Yes, and now.
I just know this year, have you NPP will give out their own man, Kennedy Japan. One person would impact Kennedy Japan, you beg Nama, Obey Nama. They will give out their own man, Kennedy Japan. One would Nippano, Obey Nama. 6. Serious infighting in the ruling party and secrets will come out. And Tokwaka CBI kwasu power amanyokwa tia konyo so se CI na emoi tasam no bepie. Jimensa's life in danger. Jimensa enkwa adesanim. Now, number what? 21. More protests, not in Ghana, nations. There's going to be protests across the nation. I have not finished. Only 21 I give to you today. Sunday, I'll give you 17. The following Sunday, I end it for you. I have not spoken about how your life is going to be. Leave it for that. Is for Sunday. I'm going to tell you. And this year, your star will shine. Amen. But I will tell you Sunday what God is saying about you in terms of 2021.
Nyame won show bebre. Volume. Nyame no nukreni. Aye na drum mere bi na nsem se toja na wo kire wadwena. Obi tenchan a wonte wase a na adwen nyina ne se bia wo tai sofo no. Ana se de o ye no ne nya adwen tina. E bia wo bonechi. Ba nye nipa se yintina. Ye nyame dwuma. Na emum ni yiye mu. Ohun Osofo bia gina ho mo Nyankopon asinemu. Yes. Tini ba osofo bia gina ho mo Nyankopon asinemu. Na wa wo gina ho mo Nyankopon asinemu no soso no. E won se wo ye adwuma no sede Awurade na nkasa wo ho a obeye. Entina Paul ka asem bi se mo hwe mi nsua me. Sede me hwe Kristo no esua no. Oho enti duru mere bi na se wosofo o kasa kan hunu se ensamo efiri wu animu eba no se eho nte a se efi demne nkekaya ewo ho a anka woni won sole manko a o eka o manmu ni nyina edi enti a wo ka asam no waso camera si wo so se wiase nyina enhwe se ya de se wo ka tra wo yire no wo made a eya wo no wo yire masem eya kokko mu asem obi ntibi ba asam a wo be ka ye so camera si wo so se wiase nyina hwede wo ka no aka ni yie wona bo Kennedy Japan asam a osofo panyin beduku bi e ka kire ni se MPP fo ebe yina ma no ni nyina so wo no ene de wo hen ana ede ba ade no wa ye MPP fo nti a ye be yina ma se nyame kasa kira wo se wo be ka de a e won sa asam no wo ka wutimi kirem na me ehunu ade cropoti nti e ma wo kasa no ye be yina ma wo kwa be so de ampasa me ka kire osofo pani beduku bi ni se nyame anu nukure ni ekwan a wonam so sesei no enye kwan papa na wanhwe ni yensu so obeduru time bi no n'anim wasɛm ɛde wɔ haw kɛseɛ bɛbrɛ no because of say ɔman ne yɛto abawie kura no ɛnkyɛe sɛ nyame adom a menteme ho ase kura na nka ɛsɔle ne na ehu etu ba be create saa asɛm we to honorable Kennedy Japan ɛne MPP for ɛntamo a na adeketoa bi si a wobɛka sasa mekan ba ka hu ne sɛ katrama ne sen kura no wɔmoko die ntina wo yɛ sɔfo na nyame ayi bibia di akyerɛw honorable Kennedy Japan no ebere bi atwama woni ni nya case no wokɔ ni fie nyina wono ani muton sɛ wo ba ni fie be pa ne kyɛw adanti na nyame ayi bibi sɛ ya kyerɛ wa ɛyɛ ntɔkwasɛm ni wo wuosɛm bet bibi betimi ɛsi ama na fɛte wo mamu ni nyina wontimi mmom ɛnkɔ ni fie ana wonkɔ no office ana sɛ ni die mo mfra ne phone so wotimi kɔ ni fie kɔpa kyɛw nyina na musuba na one yɛ bi nti oh ɛyɛ na duru ngere bi a ho di asɔfo no mu bi yɛ no airtime na aniwu na adwi nyina ne sɛ wɔyɛ odifo na ni afra sɛsɛ no
odifo kɛse
me na me ka kyerɛ sɛsɛ na akɔmkɔ di ato hyire akɔm na ɛwɔ no so na ɛkɔ nyame ayi ne nsa nkasa afiri no so hɛ ɔsɔfo papa bi a na odifo papa bi a no sɛ nyame asɛm wɔde soma na wɔkɔ the right person no wɔde a prophecy no ɛba ma no hɔ wɔn mpɛ me kyerɛ no sa wo hwehwɛ nipa no na wo hu ne dia na yɛde fa saa kwa we so but when the otimi kɔ ne fie nyina wonim na adwumam wonim na office wotimi fa phone fra na panicha wo phone so nyina afa bia bɛkɔ wie ne yesi afefufuru mu a ɔsɔfo dodo na pɛsɛ wo yɛ no ho sɛ afa na yɛ kɔwura mu no wɔka sɛ nti sɛ esi a yɛ ɔno na kae but ɛno de yɛ ate adre ɛnyame na mdi kankan ne hia o
sɛ bɛbɛm
what you say sɛ bɛbɛm oh na bana bɛbɛm no so na ne bɔne kwan so ne yɛhwehwɛ sɛ bɛbɛm
asɛ adifo no nyinaa pɛ mawu no so ba ɛyɛ anom ɛbɛm wia no bia de gye ne credit meka sɛ ɛbɔne bɛwu no meka sɛ we bɛwu
hwɛ dodoɔ na ngui ebi mo te ase nɛ but Bible say do Yesu tie ma Onyankopɔn asɛm no awurade nso so ehu sɛ ne ba no wa Yesu tie ama no te ne dɔ ne na dɔ yɛ dɔ ɔsoma no na ohu ne mmɔbɔ enti Bible say wɔdɔ no na wɔtade wɔta no na de wɔdɔ no nso na ohu ne mmɔbɔ hwɛ sɛ prophecy ba sɛ wo bewu a awurade mpɛ sɛ wo bewu nti na wɔbie so akyerɛ no
sɛ nyame yi kyerɛ a na wasɛ
nyame yi kyerɛ a ɔho kwan sɛ ɛnyɛ a ɔbɛgye wɔ yɛ dɛ afiri mu oh na sɛ wote prophecy no na woda ho sɛ yɛate abraham yɛnwerɛ ho a ɛno na woahwɛ yi a biribi no ɔnsa me ankasa no mahye wɔ bibi ama na si wɔwu yɛ no so ɛyɛ me ya because nipa no na ɔbɛn me paa wate nkɔmmɔ no ase nyame mfa ne kra ɛsie yie asoɔden yɛmfa nkɔnkɔm hyɛ ho ɔho honorable Kennedy Japan deɛ yi a ɔsɔfo panyin bɛdu kɔ bi ɛɛkan no ɛnyɛ nokorɛ da deɛ nti a mese ɛnyɛ nokorɛ ne sɛ ɛwɔ na yɛ bosire meka
ɔde creativity na
me na meka kyerɛ wo 2021 na yɛwura mu no wɔyɛ bibia me nipa hunu sɛ wɔno nso wɔyɛ odifo na ɔno nso so no yɛ nipa bi a ɔhyɛ nkɔm wɔn ankeka nkɔm hyɛ a anasɛ adifo ɛhyɛ nkɔm a wɔsɔfo panyin bɛdu kɔ bi na wɔn ka ho bi ne nkɔm hyɛ a wɔhyɛ nyinaa no ɛmfiri nyame ɛyɛ bosire meka na ni nso afra wɔ nokorɛ ka ho
wɔn sɛ after the prophecy no esi yɛ no honorable Kennedy Japan so te ɛna ne reaction a ɔde ba ho ni wɔ blaste pa nti mo de mo yɛnkɔ na yɛnkɔhwɛ honorable Kennedy Japan at the time a wɔte prophecy no ɔno so how react on it
sa ɔsɔfo Beduku bi no what is wrong with him? What is wrong with him? Meaning the way he talks. I don't think I'm also reciprocating the way he talks and let him feel it. Now, Osebia, I was saying, oh, yeah, the mentality of this Osofo, the stupidity he displays. I am surprised. And you still have Ghanaians going to his church. What is wrong with this guy? Now, no school ban or a woman what he has here. It's how to run government. Does he really understand? He goes out there with venom, talking trash, and nobody can take this guy on. So oniye juma papa biya. Mempa bua guhon wambra no me pepam. Na metua me ka chen nkwasi asem na o kan Ghana no.
Obi che na adwen.
Please stop right there. What here in some now can? E ya adwen na o kire. He's indoctrinating people. It will not help him. A bastard like that. Akofa nyamia kataso. Yes, he's a bastard.
That's a personal attack. And not the Biameka. We can address the issue. Address the personal
attack to Akufo-Addo. Or no also personal attack. Every blessed day, Ninyamia or Sumsa or Kenya is about Akufo-Addo and his government. It's about time we take him on. Munyamami, Namini Akwa Infesi. What is going on in this country? That we allow this idiot to talk anyhow and nobody says anything?
I really wish you can address this without using words and insults.
He is an idiot.
Honorable, that would
and he's a disgrace to the ministry. And nobody is even calling him to order.
I'm sure the Christian Council will do something about it.
Christian Council. Omute. Nankayam fra Akufo-Addo enyina ho. Ni line up bedu kobi ne yire ne mani na busuafo nyina ne hwe ni papa.
We ain't go too far.
Let's
face issues.
Let's address it. The issue. He goes out there with insults and that's it. He's not addressing any issue. He's not. Bedu Kobi is not addressing any issues in this country. Because now we are educating people. Obi who say, "Oh, Jimmy Force, I am a true collection mount and mount fagoye." And until you have an issue.
Or your software. So can we address?
Please stop right there. Please, Jimmy Force. Look, he's doing serious damage to Ghanaians. Not Akufo-Addo.
But Ghanaians are descending to strike.
They are not. Not all of us. Please, not all of us. If we are descending and Kabenya Beme Jimmy Phobia or say Jina Mincheng and we interpret it again, na a Jimmy Forsatio, Jesu ye. Yeah, Mumma politics here cheap. Where he was where suffer.
So Obi attack you president.
Oh yeah, one more. First, no man say Professor Hindu no you know.
Magic no.
Yeah, we are magic no. And then you who wo chintino. And we di nyamia kote echire. After the enemy.
Maybe I am achievements. I
am addressing the
but
issue.
I am the moderator and to make the achievement of the government.
Oh, man can me baby akoka.
And they had the
because
the ultimate restraining the use of certain words.
Bible say we are okwasia ewo na Jimmy Semso. Amana anwini say we nyansafo.
Yes. But
so
it's a parable.
Yemua enya parable. Enya parable. It was
a proverb. A direct saying, I will find it verbatim.
Yeah. An emphatic statement. Say bua okwasia ewo na Jimmy Semso. Amana anwini say we nyansafo. So if you don't tell Bedu Kobi so okwasia.
Let's change. Let young the topic.
Maybe I must start me here topic. This is where I want.
But I moderate this program. So
yeah,
if you are
I
going
respect
to go
you
by
for that. But
thank you.
Listen, I mean, look, it's sickening. It's sickening. So this guy is using the name of God, destroying the fabric of society. This is where my problem is. Akufo-Addo is not an issue to me, but the followers. He's not doing them good. We have to address the issue. How do you address Bedu Kobi's issue without reciprocating it? When Jimmy said, "Who come to the Bokwa on just here?"
No, honorable. You
an eye
for an eye for an eye.
You see, yes,
and we changed.
Yes, Christo. Ono kure no ka say, "Sir, obi yo bonia."
So be bo asuma da na no mo.
About Obi for GTV. Say prophet. Say wow video. Buy honorable Canadian like issue ni buy no say na why very aggressive on Prophet Bedukobi. And then he am very one so with the intention of the speech now no work and I know there. Huh? Because or you should the word stupid or Jimmy or Nimyansa or honorable.
My man can't send me show. In so tap on Chinania. They are not doing maybe or jail. Oh, and someone else of Penny Bedukobi Kikano. In Indian saw no one here so. And it was say a pan or how Becassia Baba told minus on him penny phobia. Seven previasa. Omono huni asem nanso ono ntino obetima woman asem de anta make sign say and someone if you onabo Canada Japan call Bedukobi ho no why you right amodi no hwe ma men kan asem bi nchiro se duru mere bi naso obi tuja so de ba be hyew nasa wo amfa ho adwene wo de atena ho kasa we de ho agro no odie won't me function here. When you beba hoso no mo de ahyew. All the person the tro no. One abo Canada Japan wa ready ehunu say Bedukobi nkom hye no kora ba akokora nim.
Yes.
Enu ntine so ma kwa ma kwa we to ani nsem hunu no so a. Ade wa how from pobetimi ahede. Abre no.
Ozuzu say osuro say bia omo keka honhom mi de no betima jim amana because everybody dey see here. Omdo manu si eboni obewu less than a year gran again.
Honorable Canada Japan nam ho no. Wonya akola.
Yes.
Wonim de oye. Me de me gidi a kire me se wo nkofo bi kura back na e bom paye ma no. Enti wote bibi se ya ono nso bo ho paye na so wokọ na difo ho kobusa. Eye twehwemu hu se asem osofo na ekan. Eye no kura na asa nya no kura. What in common as it? Ain't no papa no be Pierre Bontina or Cassa or the Bedukobi Atemono. And I said, if very better Babo. Ah, why you should one who said Bedukobi come shedding in a fake. Sha, honorable Canada Japan when you were defu.
Yes,
but we were defu so a banner, a wreckmano.
Yes,
one number was aqua. Into our Cassa 2 million kukudro so, and then the sika or because Obi was catching no, and so no, what in Comobia say, and yes, he can't know what they Cassa, one Cassa no had any person about the Suna. Ah, and your son what's here, son and your mia bono. What in common I say, one more Chesson can crana de Bawana de Ania Coco, now catch us a Cassi Fufua, or the mother second out to Nibini Mokuno. Ewi ase ehu ne kum nipa ana nokura kanso so no ka nokura wunya tumi nokura ye power hour enti ogidi ni bia so wo ka nokura na nipa bia wo ka nokura no nyame kura gade wo hya na bofo me ye bo ho bai hwa enokura ne ka den
yes
but wo me woni ne so wo ka nokura nso so wo hu to watanfo so on e bazam tro no one abo Canada Japan wa hu ne se Bedukobi hunahuna no wo kwan bi so.
Say one man a car is you buy anything to be or Italy.
Ah, well, no, what so Sunday, or back on and say, and you are down, and you have one man, Nankuatanasi, Nanny, why Yamano. What I say, no pecabi, can think of no dear mano, and I assassin, and Phoebe, no dear mano. What I say, well, we are and son of whom is a passiona, or some savage and the men so much of pa, that enter Nkomshano. Bedukobi share one abo Canada Japan no Ukraine. MPP ntimi nyi one abo Canada Japan Emma kwan be so. Adia bone and why MPP for
in his prophecy the man honorable Canada Japan had an year more and said as an commission only for MPP for they say what say Captain Smart and so his life is being threatened. Obi bekuno ene ne maniema na nipa kro no kura ono threaten so person kunu kura onim ususu se egema police
so onim nipa kura opese okum Captain Smart there ene police for onkochi Bedukobi e no onkochi nipa na wo hunu se
ususu se beduro baka se hu asem a police for
na hu asem na pie ni so de asanya hu bi
se o ko no zi
aka hinta
na me na eyi akire
ade a ye hu ahinta no aye hu ba nya pie ni so pe eheda nya hu bi ma ba wo aba feseka enti wo se ye hu namfam adwuma ade sisa de na no
do susu say be to a friend say Captain Smart you musa beduko bia because say
ya for any kwan say ye tena ho ma bibi to Captain Smart ansa na Yakob beduko bi nchen say ya etiefo ne ahwefo hweye ni ona e wa ba mu mpanifo ka bi ewu mu no e wo se wo mu kọ papa no ho no wo mu kọ busa no na fa nipa wa hunu say wo mu nya Captain Smart obeku no wona nim
yes
de wa dwame nanim de wotenti nyame ya do no wa hunu no di a ene amudi kan chena na mo kasa mo busa na say wadawro ma ye pedi pakro see a takio sa deep for this wo be jan sa wo mun sem hunu
because Ghana bram no tire say obi kodi ewu na wo to se body ne da ho onya ona eku nkura police na wo right so ma arrest no ndo ko e ko investigative fam one hunu say enya wo na ku say enya ona eku na afeni ye fa wa ye say invite ye ngas arrest say invite ndi wo say invite right
Captain Smart asamoa beduko bi ka kire ni e bosirim ka keke no kure nim da say ebia wonim pefe say asamesi na ebekunu nti opa womra no no wonkyere no eye din ni fam bi no wo mu pe o hu ni kotre ebia no kure opa ma police fo nkọche no sesi ya wodada na no wa me ye kura no obeka say ene ebi kura na me hye nkom no ye flash bi na be flash ye betumi ankasa ma adwene
say di fo ni bi ahye nkom mo matwe asai no ebi hye ye no mo twe say eba de no ze who the like na
eno ntina me ka ma ye ta ma ye difo no say ya ntwe ye ho amfiri sika ni din ni ahonyade ho a ye ntimi hye no kore nkom hye da because nipa na wo nche no wo ba no wa ya ma wa ma wo ka wa ma wo fie tu free sa de bone kwa ma no kore na sa de na wo ye ne nya wo be ka say papa ko ka say nya wa hwe nya de wo de ma wo ni nyina no ahwe ya be say free wonsa
what like who just say Ghana media we should have precautions to what nyame be a content be a because especially in the prophecy say prophet be a gina no ye prophecy be better town na threat na I was say even the media fraternity was so motimi it does so make the content in the film and so almost accept man say nyama we ma because the nation threat ba
when them say media for na nkasa omunya one said the asofo mu acha BNPP for BNDC for media for Ghana for media for the BNDC for the BNPP
and they say
it's a binom support MPP nkomhye and the bim so support NDC nkomhye ntibeduko bi nkomhye we no okase media ni bi nkonko enkoye yi sese ya wo benya yonku media ni so obeso le agina sa da wono kwa na hye nkom ene wakase de na asamase so kase ntimunye ni sei but ewiase no ho on say ye wonyansa samka se mimiti hoyi se nyame ayi ho ade bi a kire me na mfiri se enye eyowuo asem kan kwanhia bi ananse aya abanya mane bi na wo benya enye enframa mede tu mu ewiase nyina me ka kire won no ena hiyan
yes
dabi mimi do wa me pa wa asem no aminimu no ba minimu fie anya bia minim ba bia wo ye adwuma no ni ye yomu no ka wasa mi bopini mentimi abo mpini wa memfa from country because nyame de soma me no wan country me sa men country wi ase nyina wase men country won na wode wo picture to menima mi hu sa ye wo a won so minimu
uzuzu say as a prophet na ma ba prophet for no ma ba na ehwe ni mu enyame sumbe na aso mo ye
enya hwehwe ni mu nyame sumo ya tamu yi no wo bia pese me na me dey kan ye ena ba mu wo pedin wo panhunya wo pesika wonsa Ghana de yaji utuma yaji watu Ghana ya tawa ne ya tawo wante nkoma na se wonsa ekodu pempenso bi no na nado ka sembi minim say 2016 or say Satan ni mo
order be die no
one say Ghana for no antimi anye ne sam kano antum because of say asam na wo kai no betimi de basabasa ye aba Ghana for ho Ghana ye o man bia nyame no nukre ne Ewurade ama ya adwene ni nimdie ni nyansa nti no obi prane se obede ntokwa bebe o man ma na yi na ma
wo de ready see America and omu senya ma wo bet hwe de si wo enra wo parliament house e ma mi ametra hu say yes Ghana o man nya mi ehira
me na me ka che
e man no entokwa ntimi nsi mu da enti even se controversy obi o be critic bia no critic kwa because the nation Ghana no is peaceful to the extent say afi we ministers no be NDC ni no be MPP ni na NDC ni MPP ni minister MP NDC ni na so our parliament
the whole world near the whole Ghana the whole world ye ka kabi mami nkabia amemua Ghana ye number 1 because America for create too much
because already
what I say enti se wasofo we be gina o ka se NDC MPP ni honorable Canadian Japan MPP for be yina ma a friend say they were NG
Captain Smart
so no enkofo bi e betake no ye beku no o pa omra menche na menche
no man kwa CEO no kwa adwuma ni already this year ya no onadwuma no
ma men ka se bi nchira eduru mre bi ani petimi tenase ya de ya adwene fa de bi ho se ade a Captain Smart aye no hwa anhwa obetimi anya problems
yes
it me kan se na esipe ma hete wonim se eduru mre bi a enipa bitimi rusu ya adwene
yes
etimi de ya ade bi a wo anya fans obeka se nyame na kasa fa ni mu ana nyame na aka che bet wo no ana adwene
yes
and what the alpha one cassa because yet two abandon ye no once a Captain Smart bobo abandon doom pepper so be who say MPP for na every it is a meme na kwa mani e mani bebre di enti na wo no wonni sa to me no say I was so ultimate declare abandon
I said omo na misko to Captain Smart ba say waye coalition na hu say baby e wo maduru no matter what say the other votes na kan ni ama NDC kra omuntime winya
enu kwan say wo kan say because your man was help to me no
yes
and
the mistake on here
and don't na bedu ko bi nso afa ho ahu ne say ane wa kan say the ama awon nkofo no bi akotake no enu ntina ya patake na ne de ye denala 2021 hwe akwana na aso betimi ayede ayehye everything you can say there
because Captain can say provisional resource actually say or because provisional that is ade no no ni biem no ohun ni say MPP but a provisional until say is be declared there and certified a provisional waka na adwene kabima nkabi ni kan wo but sengo can say bia NDC so bia kan be this
edu election year e dey libere na aba
yes
enti ase media no mo mo live emra eda adwuma no ho mo baabi a mudidi kɔ ɛna mo baabi a mudidi nso kɔpem enti se wodidi tra ho pɛ wo be ka de ne kwan sɛ ye ka
yes
because ono wote ho no na wata na so pɛ bibi etie no nya wo ho no wo pɛ tie o di ama ni to me so obetimi adikra aba no wono no ho no wo tie enti wo be ka nsɛm bi a wo no wo sa ama na dwene na hit ni nyina no esa da ne bone de ayede aba wo so se wo bi yensamtwene ni emra da nsamtwene dwuma no hu
actis wo mra wo ho pa
enya so fiti ensem bia na wo be kan
dabi obi didi atam wo on the show so class me no ye show na aka say wagimi a I don't have the right to me retaliate
sankan commission so mra ba ho anka ye pa
ene president of Ghana Prophet Peter Amangwa say yam mranto commission on the commission e ba we article 244 do we say oh yam go ba e wo ni pa bi o public figure
e no dey nka Christian Council for woman no san ke ye dekɔ na aban na agye kan kwase an commission ni an commission toro ni nyine betwam
necessary commission ba article 442 it's necessary when your public figure bi ho en commission bopie ni pakoro no e metra social media elambaste enye sa contempt
tasa wo no ye wansam ni bi ho e bi a waka kire di pa no
onti
ne bi a waye niemo ho ma menwe me ho yate abre eno de ye wutimi be ka se medical account atre no makoni fie bet wan nya me nkomse na ntom na mom no sade e benya e ade no me no me ka me nkono me mpese besi na mom e bia na timi asi no wan nya ho adwuma na bi esi a e bia na adwe nyina ne se bi kura no obi a mo ampire no anya dai anka ntere no woni me se ye won panimfo bebre wo man yi mu a me a meti ho ya me no e kasa sese awu interview me panimfo ni bi ba manim
ya minimba
minim da me di pani bi din anase mabo pani bi din po
e wo
out da Ghana ha ye we 2020 ye be wra 2020 why mo no ye fra me konsuru hobi but me mpasa me di beto dwa
yes
me tifia na me nya akọ ene ye beta me ka obata me de me ko panyin ni fie wie na adwuma ni wie ye no saa ka no panyin ni hwe me de wose wo ma saa ka ne emfa me nko bi wono ane ka wo wisu no
one ba
sa de wono asa de si me
oberete no
paten komana se ye were for papa wo man yi mu anyame asoma won no asra won ho no de no kura asama hye wan no won hu ne ya won hu ne nyame nkan ya won kan na mom sa obi boni trim na so wo prane sa kwan ba na man so me fa so a 2021 me market kan sembi amana sisi anase bia e ho popular kra ba enipa ba ka se me na di ka ye na me nipa attention aba me so na ma fa ho anya de me pe no eno de wan hwe ni ya ena wo ye bet wo chena no wo benya problem woni bibi se duru bra bi na so nipa bi tena se wo mo ye ma loto number wo TV so wo mo nuye
yes
wo mo so ni nipa bi ahihye ho oh what the 50 Ghana ba
obenya 10 million
obenya sei wo no obi nso afre okay na me 10 million ba so obenya ba se 2 billion na nipa na wo ka 2 billion no busa na se free se e wo no no just 500 Ghana cedis old Ghana cedis 500 Ghana cedis no ana 20,000 Ghana cedis no nipa na wo masa loto number wo se fa sa ska we kitu abedi se ska busa ne se ska no wo mu bi da etu okonye nipa bi na adwene mu aha 7 previous won sua din kwa akiri kakra bi a what ya se me de 2 million ba me nya se yo etu be hu me se ne sika kakra nko obo ano na kada ati bo tini aye bibi no no akota biri no de aye mobile
se TV no su nyina ade aboso
no de aye mobile money no de ko ebi ni as D4 atofo de omu ye omu no tofo ni nyina ye pe because woman na tna secret ni abeka amemo ayi police ncheno what in komo bi ase one abo Canada Japan ya mienu no kure ni we nipa bi a watu kwan
yes
na watena amanfo manso ache me gidi sa abrabo a wabɔ no dodo na ya amanfo ekrom
yes and they no
what you say enu akɔ schools enti wo kasa wonim de oyɛ de oka enti akwantuo na wotu ye no watena ase sua ade bi free baabi a no wo no ɛyɛ abrochiman mu no all the person to
because your penny for the two kwan but omo implement the wa approach ni ma ne ba
yan panimfo no wo mo na bi o ma dwene no o ma tension no nko sa side ho ena Ghana wa ade bi te se so ya panini kura na ade bi wo na se wo pesa wo dan no no anhwe ya ye be yi wutu atwede
tina akoko chana no nya me pa ba bi ana akoko ma me
what in common na se entu wo no de akwantuo mo nsam
na ekasa
na ekasa wo de ohono nhyehyeye atoto Ghana ho wonim sa Ghana na nkasa no ayo oman bi a aya asofo no na emo oman no nkoso because of say emre bia ni ho a
guide ho
ehye asofo obi a ye de wo pe
because minimum sorry bu from Monday to Sunday every day bi ya ko
abrochimem wontimi nya sa hours na ye de ya asole wa abrochimem 2 hours 3 hours wontimi nya asole 4 hours wa abrochimem what in common na say and da aya working day no wontimi nya asole kra
but Ghana ha working days ni na dia
Ghana ha ya sha asole ya se eduada ebenada bukuada yawada efiada memeneda pasiada
7 days a week
ye ni da ye de home
Adentia.
Mara bi an chechire obi a ye de ope. Enti kwame a no akọ Bible school 3 months. Ni abọ na credit card, o si nyame nsa abọ no so. Ka Bible school de okọ a wokosua de o. Wunnim o sase de wunnim no na wokosua. Enso onya bọ credit card pe, no apeta wo kakraka no de egu no kọ ho. No apeshiu, adifo shi we a ye hye nkoma ya ta hye tintin. No apeta
no fe ane bi.
Na adifo ya hye, ne abegina so no apẹ suit kakra bi amia. What I say, baby ewu. Wotimi se nkom hye wo hye nyina ye fake. Diantia Canadian Japan ho kakra ne kasa ne ya adwen no. Because what they are broach so fun to Ghana so for ho a. Wotimi se difference bebre dey. Ewom Abrochimam what the so for D4 bay and the betting I sorry from Monday to Sunday.
Now even Sunday service will go beat me ya sorry from and upon 9 o'clock open bed and another bed 10. Sure more ton sorry honey.
Another 10. What youokrana? What youokrana? 1 year sorry sa time na 1.10 no. Was I the cancel to aso? Oh. Wouldn't you say, I bear my to my phone so and to me cosa there's ni no what the memory than the question that says as you ain't one so for no one on an address are solid a business ain't that crocrano make us a be actual 1 year Jumane Kosoa. When you said that who break you Christmas, don't want to break you. I feel the Bima break because of such time when you're 20. Yes. Son, I saw for him bit yet. A boma who break an area. No one will suffer a warrior, sorry, I saw in course of a breaking pen. Send that dear, and sorry, my money, my home. It didn't see that. Hey, this is the Mudeva. One, yes, I did that. But yes, who bought the no born and poor born who made that. I was a dancing and the poor. Near many and that toson sono, but the home, which I saw so for now. Ye young penny for a young council of Dimono. Ah, Brunya Impa, and Kobia home cacraca, Brunya Imunian, and I saw for the Donaya, sorry. Oh, and yet the first night, baby, and not 31st, they say I be at the home. Brunya, you didn't know, who did you always say about so because one country was said. I finish query and to one way I beg you for no, I beg you for no, I beg you for no. What's your grandpa? I beg for the first night. Yeah, we're going to have everyone's read the power. Oh, many of my men can't say being true. A true maybe I know how better so for the can who too much. Oh, once a true time beer, one plan is all back anymore. No being so when today's or better my day. I sign. And your bronya and Kwana Sadi and Woho. But yet to me, Christmas and this was a year be worth for I am a crow. But quite almost fossil cancer now, quite yes, so 1 to San Amon, a fellow Kurana day, and 2. Baby Mobia on quite solid that. Yes. And so now, Bobby a war ball and the other year, what you know. When you're 85 years still, why you're strong, go and see I saw them with that. My quack can have some no city, you've been moving to know. The corn also of a example like honorable Canadian policy or no, I saw it there. One and then lie, but why are you? And Ghana, I can't be power about what chat here, where you cast a philanthropy, where you're one of them. My main cousin be. And now what you were, but make cast the work at Ryan who was sent in America. One about Canadian Japan, mean to me Munatan, say, or on course Rahim and all back course Rahim, and Namini Kuku was yes. No mum, at Diana or Canada, ye were near me, you know, war Yamimu. Yes. Oh, I dear be a 2 in Yaminim, Ainshra, and a no man, and quite any woo. What be better man as we so one quite solid that. Yes. Ah, Empire Cronimbo. Yes. But will be Yenshra. Dear to obey Yenshra, Biana walk will be in some. What your Nisia, what your Yanka, what your craft for, or who only be a mobile, what be a Juma, or one day be a so and ye be at the air, or someone Yaka crack to empty. when you be trying to buy school fees. And see, a Jumana in Kophobia, and now so will be answer Quananuntino. So, Quada or bomb by a massa, and the Pacoran said, a brother man and patente said the Baya on winter, not the Juma because one also and the daily bread. What be to me, Fred? And I said, me many be. Was a papa, Jumana may and the Wadam, my bompire, mamma, Sunday, a Juman and coffin, because Juman coffin more. The combat in oh, bompire, dear, what be a Juma may no. Bompire settled to obey young quatentin. No, your quatentin, I mentioned me and a Juman at check, the Benjamin Adrian. And to one about Canada, Japan, Adoye, and the no criteria would do what the Juman side and all being is him to never have a cause why a day, Echnano. Anna Abrabotrene, yes. Abrabotrene and the Sompa, and the Dini Pacopi was strong, Amen. And Tia near Mammy, Oya Doya Obeyensna, Woba Abrabotrene, and now Sura, the Dinamia, some Leman, some Suswa, Ubenos, very good. And yes, I know before DSTV and a prophet, Dr. Peter Amankwa. AKA heaven bed. So I'm go be at why you and then you're there. We say, Metinum Nana, me up with them. Heaven bed, any genqua, bed, any genqua, bed, I won't on them. I'm go be a bayer, me up, Mini, cry. Oh, still a lobby for GTV and a prophet Peter Amankwa, AKA heaven bed, and a good one. Or a book in Japan, you want. Was say Christianity and Emma and now all can decide that one and the yard. Side person and side there, men in your dream. Yes, no boss row near assassin. Bible so one could not someone yet be BBLA or yes. So I can say, ain't you say, or can say, and I'm a son, or mine, dear. Now, come here, said, when young Compon can or boss or bassas and the Kennedy challenge, and so we knew the oil. Only in person, because when the ball Kennedy, because our question, when the ball, no, I ready. When a man and ready. When a water man of Solier, when a man and Frama, when a man and Frama ready. Until when was here some yes, my ready. More until the until all cancer. Or no, the Biana, the Asofo for near. Asofo for near, dear. You were near many now, so near me and a fatent. A soft form, a couldn't be about the frame when you woman sing, none of crano, one fast on doing a home man a cry, and in here. Because of say, so what did you be a chikurana, one re and Yamason Corano, and one someone quite dear bubble. It is uncle for your packy woman who trade out to woman, not quite them now calling. Tisano also, I am. Who's say a different will be Nama and if and you know, Penfonia, if you be Blue Pass or another. Ah, because meaning baby or our pass or a special uncle, but we are old a year, but not so 1,000 years, so problem. Some commission a bit no session. And commissioner can say business. Into the men commissioner may barber show. A beer won't woman muscle order. Will be a barber now one time. No interview, who's who knew no. Wahema, bra. Pacho, your friend me Peter, no way. No one would. I'm your man. No, I had that. So first time. Meeting it on radio, so. Yes, so I had. Oh, so from the idea. No problem, then I had the time. So for say me too, and I'm here, so that you my idea, Juma. The media work here, bizarre. I know it's going to do. Oh, and I'm not so kind of way. Oh, me and I'm the kind of buyer. I know I do my answer. Oh, my radio's on the deep end of the full buffalo. Watch out. Make us say in the phone or record. Ah, we are no forward them a software no on office. Aha. It's a software no. Why no information in your office? Software no so bad. Aha. Metro Guard. Yes. Metro Mindful. Yeah, it's Mienu. The people of the president. Mienu. Mienu, they are so careful. Bakud in the Bonkum. Bakud in the family. Bakud in the name. Bakud in the cheek. And on a software, no dick how the name. Tianio, my dear. Two man was said, or software neighbor. na sɔfo na edi n'anim metwa ma fo
na bi ana me dwene ho sɛ sɔfo no osuro sɛ yɛbɛbo na na sɛ bɛnde
ɛnyɛ ne sa wɔpɛsɛ ne ho yɛ huhuhu na hu ne sɛ sɔfo no wɔnyɛ easy saa
yes
ɛte sɛ ɔmampanyini ba na police motor ni ade ɛnwɛnwɛ no saa pɛpɛɛpɛ oh wɔpɛsɛ enipa hu ne sɛ wɔnyɛ easy saa
dubo so hu na ɛyi bɛ sɛ hu ni 2 million me
oh
so nkyɛn
ana wo kwa ko hu no kora na ade nipa bi bedi kan yɛ no ebɔbɔ hu ɔna ɛbɛsɛ me kyerɛ no wo mo bɛyɛ ade bi te sɛ wo bɛn no kora na me yɛ pia ko wachi die nti ne yɛsɛ ko wachi no die ne kora wa wo de ba ko wachi na yɛ pia wo no
uni ta
yɛ pa kyerɛ sɛ ko yɛ bibi ansa na waba tu ba no sɛ sɔfo no yɛ bɔ nti ne so yɛ sɔfo no to ɔba sɔ mic ma ɛna bibi besi mɛhyɛ nkɔm
bibi besi avimu
me ka sɛ wɔnya mpiriti yo
me chia ma de ya evangelist by galantry condemn
me ka sɛ wɔnya mpiriti yo wɔsɔ mic ma brother bi wɔ ha yɛfrɛ ɔbɔfo
ara na refi
wo sɛmɛsi FM
yes
ka wuri so no no ba ya so anso na woda na bibia begina so wontimi na
yes
sunsun nyame bia mani no na hunu ma bibia ye fra no amadan kwa ana ma hunu papa kokora bia ye fra no Yakubu na Yakubu no sunsun fa na brade ka tram so ye bayibon sam ana amadan kwa no akoto wo obofo na ma no enu ntino obafo ni dura na dura ho na ya basa wuti yo ya no enya kasa na ama wuti yo ya radio no so na wadwen yo so kasa dudu ntino wuti yo ya no enya kasa ye ti wuti ni kobobo anadwo enti wuti no ye to kobobo anadwo no dura no pa na ama wuti ye duru mere bi kura na
ye de bokọ na
eduru mere bi asema adame kon so tire no ye de betia so ye mfa ntia so ye ntie si nchen enti na ya na wo se wo kon eya we ya no ni abande so ye me pa to ho na wo fie ha wo ya media ni a ye fra no obofo so
mia
abande so ye ani e da me to ye be twa wa hwe ya wo ka ki no this all the so ma wo be say wo san ko ban ko yi kakra ma elaka na don'to fo no
no mamma
ase no mo jinam wo ni ya bonum solo kunum pa
oye mi wo si da ye
na fe ay asana koso what say agogo na obobo ru say wo sheba na oye ye say asofo no ebinum asua difo no ebinum asua tuba unu say nkomhye no wo ye ne nsa na say na wo beje say na wo ye no ti wo beje no to owia na fe wo do beje na ho afa no be interview asama me kai enti wo ba no say na sofo nkoma ni bi no ne abo pinu
yes
na fe wo ka gu na so asama na ni nyina ye no kra ene duru mere bi so ade wo kan say nya no kra no wono no won kan abonte won kan te sofo na say nya no kro I know na ka sa wo mic ni mo ti no ye won ka ye ni na ja wo se ya no kra ni hwa akra ka ho duru mere bi ni hwa mo ba do aya na ba ko ya ne ya pa nti nsam a wo ka ni na no kra ana wo sa se amadan kwa no so ye o maame ono ase ye o maame enso wan kan ho
ebi kwa na minim no
chiame fo no mo ya sofo nkuma no wo mo de creative program no
on control da
ana bema na osofo ni boni din no eno so no ase ye no wofa na ne wofa no efrisi ye wo no won pen na semo da no ono wonim se no wofa no ye bayibon san nti wada woroma eja bo anama ye
na ya catch say any boy Asia me office
woni bibi tuwo jina wa no kan tro say de oton na no ono anu nkofo no to moma mwe enti ene pananim na wode sa de na ma wo no wato ma wo wuwi a be hu no to butena nanim na wona o prophet aja wono na sofo nkoma ni bi na be kan aja wono na me de ni be hu ntam so wo be san kwa adwuma ahonom na abetu pika wa hwe ya de so asoma me ko iska fo
still no be for GTV they say and then kateboni ni be ye free mama na kan katepa because nyankopon adwuma say nyankopon show so yourself na yourself kan ya e de kra kwa wona ma wo hunu say wo ye pure wa hunu say
wo to wo da wasom dwo wotimu so we flee wonim say no kre asam ka no
ede
aya na asase no obre but wotimi tintim pa na wugina na nyame abasa ye kase wo so a masa
because the different wo mo ka no kre e me ye chi wo mo ahom ye ka no kre me ye de kosefo no mo se me se
na awon no kra na wo che mu no e ka o but wo no bibia mu abam bibia hamsa wo da anwan what you say eduru mele bia ye mani padua na wo kire no ni e makra no so ani age
yes
what in common say aha enti na Paul ka say e dia ba ade ne betimi atete mi ni Kristo do no entem what time na say betimi ata no amane ana na say amane betimi aba no so e kom na say kom betimi ade na ho kire na say ho kire betimi aba so wakika bebre eno wo so wo no de won susu se bibi betini ayede atete woni Kristo do no enter but ye tam ni yesu a ho kire oh wo bi sofo mu a bibi ntini me di ni di be sie kakra wo se wo di sofo be 10 years na won to kan si wa so da ne nyame mfre wo kone koye wo carpenter ni ebi a na wonya carpenter ni o so ba ka to se ko ba carpenter bi me bi ye wa be ntina wo di sofo 10 years won to ka won si fie
feze oni mabo ne bo oni ade on ko le bae
na ba to Peter fie be na oti ye Paul efie be na oti ye wo di for Samuel no ejapade be na na mu omuwo siasi e be ye adwuma ne dia ye mfa no kuradi enye na honam fam asentra na ahohoahoa no wonyankopon na wafre no ebere no so a no na be kaso won fama wo mi duru mere bi no na me nam fam
yes
eduru mere bi no na me ho atade atete
yes
eduru mere bi no na me sre ansa na medi
yes
eduru mere bi no mitimi kofre aduane sofo mu a duru mere bi okodina aduane ne so a wo fa ne fo gina ho a wonko because aduane na wo koto na ya tie won tonam wona basam tro no tie eduru mere bi a wa wotimi se wotini nuafu woni sikanti wontimi nko barber shop o ti akora bi a wotim fitire won so yi no
won se obi
na wa twena ko chen fitire masa me ko program bi na me pentem pa so ho ma o chena makwa oboa
oyi ano
oboa no de commercial
oni baba anso no ayi
masa na me aya dom na to abawie ye ne e man panene etu nkotwe directly wo ye temamani aya wo ye Ghana ni a mesre se bo bra yi na mo wani nsoso ena ho ne hunu ho se asase we so a wo ba ye na e bota e binti ena wo ba ye so wo bo bra yi a de nyame waka fa ho bi ara bebem Ewrade asumdwe enka obi bia. God bless you.
God bless you and God bless everybody. So God bless you, Diana. God bless you, my mother. God bless you, Sister Mimi. God bless you, Brother Augustine. God bless you, Perpetua. God bless you, Apostle Reverend. Ni brother does about or Canada. Or so or her program no or share. Or else may share me share. Go for chef friend. Intimi nua ba nua be ma wo so hwem. Share na ma adofo no foforo nso nya bi hwe. Se de be ya se hira ne ba obi for GC so enam go so na aba bedu a ne nyina ye hira. Na ye ka se ade chi na akokobon kokoko a ne ho se hira aba odu ma begu ye nyina so. Thank you and God bless you. Bye bye.